If you have a stinky, moisty, almost like an egg smelling smell coming from your car cabin, coming inside from the air conditioner cooling system, and you want to get rid of it, I'm going to show you a simple fix. It's fairly simple to do. The only thing that you need is Lysol disinfectant spray or spray like this. So what's happening is condensation and moisture is getting into the air conditioner or the cooling system, and then the water's sitting there and it's bacteria is forming and it's starting to become messy or to become smelly because of the bacteria. All right, so the only thing you need to do is roll down all 4 windows, start your engine, and then put your air conditioner on, not full blast, but put your air conditioner on like slow to medium where you know air's coming out, and make sure that the vents are open. If you can remove your filter from the glove compartment cabinet, that would be ideal, but I know a lot of people don't know how to do that, which is fine. But if you can remove that filter, that's ideal. And you want to pop open the hood. And this part here is the fresh air vent right here. If there's any debris or leaves, a lot of times moist leaves will get caught there, and that's the smell that you're getting. The air's coming through here, and then the leaves are actually making the moist coming into the cabin. But this is also called the plume, and there's usually one here, but it's usually across that you would need to spray. But get your disinfectant spray, and with the air conditioner on and the windows up, what's going to happen is that's going to spray into the cooling and into the air conditioner system, into the cooling cabinet, and kill that bacteria. So you're going to get the spray and go ahead and spray in it as the engine's running and the air conditioner's running. And of course, if you have it over here on the driver's side, go ahead and hit that. And you want to keep the air conditioner going and the engine running for at least 10 minutes as that spray's going through and killing all the bacteria. And then after 10 minutes, it should be good. You still might want to keep your windows open for another 30 minutes, which is fine. All right, and I'll put a link in the comment section where you can get the Lysol disinfectant spray directly off of Amazon, a direct link in the comment section. But I'd highly recommend the Lysol, or you can get it at Publix or a grocery store or Walmart or whatever. All right, thanks for watching, and let me know, do you have this issue with a stinky car? And maybe tell me what brand model of car you have. I'd be curious. All right, thanks again.